Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you my chosen learner-centered philosophy, which is constructivism. This approach emphasizes that students actively construct their own knowledge and understanding through experiences and reflection. I chose constructivism because I believe that learning is most effective when students are engaged in exploring and discovering on their own. It encourages curiosity and critical thinking, which are essential skills for lifelong learning. As a future teacher, I want to create a classroom where students take ownership of their learning. To implement this philosophy, I want to design activities that foster hands-on learning. For example, I might use project-based tasks where students investigate real-world problems and collaborate to find solutions. I will also encourage them to reflect on their experiences through journals or group discussions. Now let's try to imagine. Imagine assigning an art activity where young learners explore different colors and textures by mixing paint or using various materials like papers and crayons to create their own simple artwork based on a topic, my favorite animal. As you can imagine, instead of just watching the teacher demonstrate, they actively experiment with these materials and then share their creations with the class, explaining what they made and why. This hands-on approach helps young learners build their understanding of colors, shapes, and self-expression in an engaging and playful way. In this diagram, you can see the cycle of constructivist learning. It begins with engage, where students are introduced to a new topic to spark their interest. Next is explore, allowing hands-on discovery and interaction with the content. During explain, students articulate their understanding and teachers clarify concepts. Then elaborate, encourages deeper investigation and application of knowledge. Following that is evaluate, where learning outcomes are assessed to identify strengths and gaps, and if necessary, intervention. It involves targeted support to address learning difficulties. And finally, acceleration. It helps students extend their learning beyond the expected level. This full cycle supports a learner-centered constructivist approach, emphasizing active participation, reflection, and continuous growth tailored to student needs. By applying constructivism, I hope to nurture intelligent, curious, and independent learners who see themselves as active participants in their education. I believe this approach will make learning more meaningful and enjoyable for my future students. Thank you for watching. I look forward to becoming a teacher who inspires and empowers students to learn actively.